Sir, can I go to the toilet? No, Gary, you should have gone at break.
Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to plan my bladder schedule today.
Are you talking back to me? Well, yes, that's how a conversation works. Don't get me angry. You won't like me when I'm angry. No one likes you anyway, sir. Right, I want total silence from you. Sir, you have the personality of a sausage roll. I said silence. But why? Silence! Sir? Gary, I said silence. Why am I still hearing you talk? Because you have ears, you stupid cat.